Yes guys, hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today I want to make this one dual sander like that. This is 1.7 inch, but this one is 2 inch. Yeah, 2 inch, 51 millimeter. Okay, I already cut these 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from this sheet, this hardwood sheet is stronger but lighter in weight, very lightweight. It can work very nicely. Like this one, this is hardwood. This is approximately a 15 millimeter thick sheet. We need to cut this one. This cutter, saw cutter, hole saw actually. We need two bearings, 6202. It will fit in this nut. I will fit it. I will show you that. We need this glue. It's very strong glue to glue like that. We need this one, strong glue. The wood glue will not work on this because this is so slippery. It's formica. We need some nuts. We need some 120 grit. I will use 120 grit mostly. It's 120 grit. We need some spanners. So I will fix this one. I will fix this in this bolt. I will show you. I will do this off camera. I use the hard glue gun, this one over here, to put this one. It will cool down, it will settle like a metal. Okay guys, I put two bearings on here, so it's move while this end will be in drill machine, and we can hold like that. It will work. I'll put a sandpaper on it, abrasive paper 120 grit, and I will show you. I put a glue in it. It is still wet. It will dry almost 2 hours after, and it will work like that, this bearing. So I tied down this with these rubbers. So I'll see you later guys. I made this one. I put a bolt over here. I put two bearings over here. This one. This is movable. I will put this one, this section to the drill machine, and I can hold like that. It will work like this. It will work easily like that. I put a hot glue gun over here. It's movable. It's cushion. It's good for you. It's not still. So I will check this one, and then I will make a video of that. If it passes, then I will pass it to you. I fix a bearing in 4-inch this one drill sander. It will work good. It will work good too. This is bearing is 6004. This number of the bearing. I opened the seals over here. It was new. It was made in Japan. This bearing is Japani bearing. Very nice bearing. How it's moving easily moving. I can hold like that. I can work like this. I already tested this one on a drill machine This is for the big holes, to open a big hole, to ream a big hole. I use this one. For 2-inch, more than 2-inch hole, I use this one. And smaller one, I yesterday made this one. 19 millimeter is for the smaller holes. 19 millimeter, like more than less than 1 inch, I can use this one. And this one is 175 inch, 3/4 of an inch. This one 3/4, yeah. This is 1.5, 1 inch and half. This is 1 inch and 75 inch. I made like that. I can put this same bearing 6004. It will fit on this 8 millimeter nut, the bolt head. Okay guys, time to test it. Over here, yes, you can see. Okay, time to test it. It passed. It's working so nice. Look, this one is good. It's working so nice, this one. You can use this one like that. You can wrap it like this. You can remove the paint, remove the rest from anywhere. Beautiful. Thank you very much, guys. If you like my video, give a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and if you have any type of question about electrical, furniture, about this mechanical, I will answer it. If I know, I will give you the right answer. I tested it, this one. This is 100% safe and good. You can make it with 2 bearings. One is fixed, one is movable over here. Thank you very much, guys. Have a good day. Good night. Allah Hafiz. God bless you. And be safe and be cool. Thank you. Bye-bye.